Hi, this is Christine with card share birthday cards I have received from Crafty Bees birthday club. So this one is from Elisa Martinez and this one is from Sharon. This one is from Joel Wilson. This one is from Christine Park. This one's from Paige Grabu. This one's from Jill Brutler. This one's Paula Curran. This one's from Michelle Holland. And this one, I did a quick snap picture of it because it wouldn't fit the page. This one is from Nikki Grobish. And this one is from Deborah Belden. And I also received a bunch of goodies from you guys, and thank you so much for all those. I will do a quick video of that one also. I just didn't want to make this video too long. You know how YouTube is. So just wanted to thank everybody for all your beautiful cards and your gifts. And that was Ringo who just flew up here. And thank you very much. And thank you for all the goodies and gifts you guys gave me. Thank you.